Hello friends, today I'll teach you HCF, that is highest common factor. So सबसे पहले हमें क्या word strike हुआ? Common factor. So first of all, before finding the highest common factor, हमें पता होना चाहिए what is common factor. A common factor is a factor that is shared by two or more given numbers. Like if you have 8 and 12, that is 2 4s are 8 and 2 6 are 12. So 2 is the common factor that is shared by both these numbers. Fine. Secondly, HCF कैसे निकाला जाता है? HCF is found by finding all the common factors between the given numbers and selecting the largest one. You have to find all the common factors and you have to select the largest one. So HCF निकालने के बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. You can find the HCF of any number by using prime factorization, by using common division method, and the third one is long division method. So let's move further. Start with prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. We can discuss each method individually. Prime factorization method. In prime factorization method, let's take an example of 8 and 12. Fine. तो आपको पहले prime factorization करना है. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So 8 का जो prime factorization निकला, that is this. Now you have to do the prime factorization of 12, like 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So 12 का क्या निकला? 2 into 3. Now what is the HCF of 8 and 12? जो इन दोनों में common आया, 2 and 2 is common. So you have to write in one pair को एक ही लिखना है and 2 2s are 4. So the HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Let's take one more example for your better understanding, like 44 and 132. So start doing. First of all, 44, 2 22s are 44, 2 11s are and 11 1s are. So 44 is equals to 2 into 22 into 11, and again start doing 132, that is 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 33s are, 3 11s are and 11 1s are. So what is 132? 132 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. So HCF is equals to, you have to find the common between these numbers like this. तो ये आ जाएगा 2 into 2 into 11, that is 44. So the highest common factor of 44 and 132 is 44. Fine. So let's do another next method, that is common division method. That is also very easy method. And beta, if you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe my channel. So start doing common division method. Common division method. Let's take first example. First example is 16, 42 and 72. So आपको तीनों को इकट्ठे एक साथ लेना है and start doing. 2, I think these are all even numbers. So ये सारे 2 से जाते होंगे. 2 8s are 16, 2 21s are 236. Again आप देखिए, अब ये 8 is even, 21 is odd and 36 is even. So there is no common factor between these numbers. So आप लिख सकते हैं HCF of 16, 42 and 72 is 2. Fine. Let's take one more example for your better understanding. That is 99, 33 and 121. So start doing. I think ये सारे 11 की टेबल में जाते हैं. 11 9s are 99, 11 3s are 33 and 11 11s. So there is no common factor between. कुछ भी common नहीं है जो एक ही टेबल में चले जाएं. So आप लिखेंगे HCF of 99, 33 and 121 is 11. Fine. Let's take one more example. मैं ये सारे कॉमन डिवीजन मेथड से सॉल्व कर रही हूँ. लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. अनदर एग्जाम्पल इज 81, 117 and 135. Start doing. Like 327s are 81, 339s are and 345s are. Again मुझे लग रहा है ये सारे 3 के टेबल में जाते हैं. 39s are 27, 13s are and 315s are. अब ये नहीं जाते क्योंकि 3 के टेबल में 9 तो आ जाता है, 15 तो आ जाता है, पर 3 नहीं आता. तो हम लिखेंगे HCF क्या निकला इसका, 3 into 3 that is 9. Fine. So the last method is the long division method. So let's move to long division method. As per the name, it is lengthy but it is very easy method and we commonly use long division method. Fine. हम long division method ही commonly use करते हैं, ठीक है. और ये बहुत ही easy method है. Like take one example. The very first example is like 60 and 95. You have to make डिविडेंड आपको बड़े नंबर को बनाना है और डिवाइजर छोटे नंबर को. फाइन. 61 60. अगर 62 करेंगे तो 120 हो जाएगा, तो 61 60. नाउ यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 5 and 3. नाउ ये डिवाइजर बन गया एंड नाउ द डिवाइजर बिकम डिविडेंड. फाइन. बस इतना ही करना है. 35 1s are 35, 35 2s are 70, 35 1s are 35. Again you have to subtract 10 minus 5 5, 5 में से 3 2, और ये फिर से जो यहाँ का क्या था, this is divisor. Now it become dividend. 25 1s are 25. Again this is 10. ये जो आपका आंसर रिमाइंडर आ जाता है ये बन जाता है डिवाइजर and this is 25. So 10 1s are 10, sorry 10 2s are 20, again 5, again 10, that is 5 2s are 10. So what is your HCF? Your HCF is 5. This one. So it is nothing difficult. Like आपको करना क्या है, बस आपने जो बड़ा नंबर होगा ग्रेटर वन वो आपका डिविडेंड बनेगा एंड द अदर वन इज डिवाइजर. देन जो रिमाइंडर आएगा दैट इज डिवाइजर. That is divisor and this become dividend. But this instruction you have to follow. Let's take one more example. Let's move one more part. You have to find which one is the greatest among all of these. So 108 is the greatest and अब it's up to you. आप दोनों में से किस नंबर को पहले लेना चाहते हैं. Let's start with 42. So the 42 2s are 84. Fine. Now आप subtract करेंगे, that is 24. Now the divisor become dividend. 24 1s are 24. Now again you have to subtract 8 1. Fine. Again you have to write down 24. 18 1s are 18. After subtracting you get 6 and then 6 3s are 18. Fine. So आपके पास क्या आया, 6. Now the remaining one is 72. तो आप इसको डिवाइजर बना के 72 से करेंगे. फाइन. तो क्या करेंगे, 6 1s are 6, 1 carry 12, 12 zeros are 0, 6. Again this one is now what is this? This is divisor. Now it become dividend. 6 2s are 12. So the HCF is 6. फाइन. सो आपको इस ढंग से तीनों नंबर्स को यूज करके HCF निकालना है. आपको यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन मिल गया बट one number is still remains, so you have to use that number also. Let's take one more example. Example third, that is 90, 120 and 980. आपको ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर को लेना है 980 and start doing. You can use any number between them. Like take 90, 90 1s are 90, 80 and then dividend. 80 1s are 80, then 10, then 80, 10 8s are 80. So अभी आपके पास क्या आ गया, 10. You have to use this 10 with 120. Fine. That is 10 ones are 10, 20. ये क्या बन जाता है? Now it become dividend. 20 zeros are 20 zeros are 0. That is 10, and then 20 आप यूज करेंगे ये वाला. 10 twos are 20. So the HCF is 10. So this is all about highest common factor. We can find the highest common factor. We can do prime factorization, we can do common division and long division method. And if you find any problem regarding this, regarding any question, you can write down your problem in the comment box, and I'll definitely do my best to solve your problem with my next video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.